In a really soggy stretch of weather, and that puts us at a flood risk. Matt Kirkwood has the latest on that.
Yeah, it certainly does, Terry. Now, you showed the futurecast where we have one wave after another rolling through, or at least forecast to move through. That's what we had this previous weekend. So with that flood risk, you have to take a look at what fell before. And you can see many areas in Allegan, central southern parts of Ottawa County and Kent County have received anywhere between 5 to 6 inches of rain in just the past couple weeks. Now here we go again. The rainfall futurecast for later this afternoon and tonight through tomorrow gives many areas, especially north of I-94, anywhere between 1 to as much as 3 inches of rain. But notice a very sharp cutoff where not so much rain falls and where quite a bit of rain will fall. So that's why we have a flood advisory areas north of I-94. But first, I want to take a look at flash flood guidance. We're in a slight risk area, about 10 to 20% chance that we may exceed that in the next 24 hours. And in terms of that flood watch, you can see areas from Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties and points in the north. That's where the bullseye is, where we could see some flooding issues. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Now, Tom out there this morning for the commute, dry, but maybe some hydroplane issues tomorrow morning.